Vacation is my life. It is truly a lifestyle for me. I created a lifestyle where I really never need a vacation from my life like I used to when I was working the 9 to 5 and when I was an engineer. However, that lifestyle is all fun and dandy until I have a real vacation with my family and they are truly on vacation mode and not wanting to do anything work related or school related because obviously they have the time off from work and school. And this only means one true thing for me, and that is I can't work. So yes, the cat's out of the bag. No, my business does not operate 100% on its own and I have to be a part of my business in order for it to survive. But let me tell you guys, my business could do a whole lot of things without me being there, that's for sure. And it could operate a lot on its own. And that's why in this video, I thought it would be really cool for you guys to see a little bit of BTS or behind the scenes action of how I operated my business while I was on vacation in Mexico City. So about a week and a half ago, I had a vacation with my family and it was really exciting because it was the first time I had seen them since January. So it had been about, February, March, April, just a little over 3 months since I had last seen them from the winter time when I was in California. And before we met up in Mexico City, my number one promise to them and to myself was to make sure that ultimately I was very present with them and with myself and being focused on the vacation. I didn't want to be worried about the little things going on in my business. I really wanted to relax, enjoy the activities, enjoy the culture, enjoy everything about a vacation. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys some insight, maybe some advice for the future when you have a vacation and you're operating your online business. I thought it would be pretty cool and helpful to understand these online business tips. And really quick, I wanted to announce last week's winner of the 40-minute call. And this video last week, I said that for somebody who commented in that video, a thoughtful response and something cool about yourself and where you are in your business, you'd have the chance to win a 40-minute call with me. And that winner is Gordon Collins. I really loved your message, Gordon, and I resonated with it. And you are the winner of the 40-minute call. Thanks for such a thoughtful response. And for the rest of you guys, I really appreciated the thoughtful comments. And I have a lot of projects I'm working on right now, but as things start to settle down, I'm going to try to give away 3 calls per month. So keep checking into the weekly videos so you guys could have your chance to win a 40-minute call with me. Who knows, I'm thinking for the next video, maybe I'll award 2 40-minute calls to somebody who could really use it. So the first thing I did to prepare for my vacation in Mexico City with my family was to tell my team that I was going on vacation, and either a couple of them would have to pick up the slack a bit more because I wasn't going to be there to help out, or some of them actually got time off because they didn't have work to be done during that period of vacation time. And for those of you that are wondering, I have a full-time team of 3 excellent women. I have an assistant, I have a full-time designer, and I also have, she's pretty much everything, brand strategist, email marketing, a super awesome creator that I have on my team basically. And so I talk to all 3 of them and I say, hey, what do you need from me? I let them know how long I was going to be gone, what they could expect, if I was going to be totally non-existent or if I was going to be available at certain times. And I outlined the tasks that needed to be done. Like for example, it's hard for me to get through all my YouTube comments, but I definitely try, and usually I succeed at getting to all of them. But this time I really needed help from my assistant. One thing that she had to do that I usually do is answer my YouTube comments. And usually she'll double check with me if she has a question about something and she wants to be 100% sure, but I told her, trust your gut on this one. While I'm on vacation, I trust you 100% to make the decision. So you go ahead and go with your gut feeling when you're dealing with, customer service or answering an email or whatever it is. So the second thing is that I had some non-negotiable things that had to get done that week that was business related, and so I made sure ahead of time I planned out when I was going to do those things. For example, I did a collaboration video that week, early that week with my friend Kat. We had prepared a collaboration, and when you do a collaboration with another YouTuber, you have to make sure that you schedule out the videos to launch on time. You shout each other out on both Facebook and Instagram. You have to make sure you have each other's links so that you can swap them and put them in your description underneath your YouTube video on your channel. Just little things like that had to get done early on in the vacation, but it ended up working pretty smoothly and not taking up too much time because everything was already prepared. The video was edited. It was just a matter of programming the video and making sure it was good to go. The third thing I made sure I did was prepare my content ahead of time for social media, so including YouTube and Instagram Instagram posts and things like that. I had already 2 videos pre-recorded, 1 already edited, and 1 that was almost done with its edits, so that was pretty good. And I also made sure that I had no meetings planned that week. Of course, that's a no-brainer, because you know, on vacation you never know what could go wrong, and if I had to cancel a meeting, I just didn't want to have that stress of committing to somebody that week. The 4th thing I did to prepare for my family vacation was to allow myself at least 2 hours a day to work on just different things in the business that had to get done. My family typically wakes up later, especially while on vacation, so I took that as an opportunity to wake up a little earlier, about 2 hours earlier, and to work 2 hours in the morning before we got our day started. So this is where, you know, those 2 hours I used to take time to answer emails, to talk to my team. Any of my business activities that were a priority that week, that's what I kind of knocked out first. So it's kind of funny. My little sister's still in high school, and one of the nights she had homework, and I won't lie, the internet at that Airbnb was terrible. We went to Starbucks and we got some work done together, and that was kind of cool. It was just down the street. After, you know, a day of exploring at the Anthropology Museum and exploring the city and that type of cool stuff, we just, you know, went to Starbucks at night to finish up a couple things. And the 5th thing I did to make sure I prepared for my vacation was, when I got there, I wanted to enjoy the experience. So I made sure I enjoyed all the experiences that we were doing. I mean, it goes back to being present, but I wanted to make sure that I enjoyed going to see the pyramids and, you know, the canals and whatever we did, the food tours, the culture. Which brings me to my next point in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit of B-roll from the family vacation. So enjoy!
Okay, we're here.
Ándale!
We made it! Pásale.
Yeah, that's your room.
Ooh, hay bananas. ¿Hay luz?
Oh, hola, ¿cómo están? Vamos a ir a las islas de
Muñeca.
muñecas.
Okay,
Fantasmos.
Fantasmas.
Welcome.
Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi pirámide.
We made it to the top.
Who? Oh.
Esto es chicharrón,
Oh, okay.
es pasta.
Es una tortilla de masa azul
Ajá.
con frijoles, nopales, cilantro y salsa.
Mango y limón.
Again.
Sí, muy popular en México. A ver, abra su mano, por favor, y le va a hacer así. A ver, señorita, por favor, granada, así, muy dulce. A ver.
Visiting
La Casa Azul, Frida Kahlo's house, Xochimilco. Enjoy the mariachis and eating on the boat.
Yo aprendí, como se dice, squirrels ardilla. It took me four times to learn.
I'm enjoy, love Xochimilco.
Oh, learning more about my lado mexicano, Teotihuacan, Mixteco, Mexica, Aztecos.
So I hope you guys enjoyed these scenes from the family vacation. When it comes down to taking a true vacation and making sure you're having a good time with your family, you know, I hope that these tips were helpful for you and that you could, you know, put down the laptop and make sure, you know, you're focused and present with the ones that you love, because really that's what it's all about, right? I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for all my future content. I got some really hot collaborations coming up, some videos that are going to really help you with lead and traffic generation and all that great stuff you need in your online marketing business. I'm Marissa Romero. See you on the next video.